Still believe they're worth saving? Look around you. This world already chose its fate.
Then I'll choose a different future.
Lyra, you stand guilty of treason against the crown. You are sentenced to death by the hand of my champion, Vaughn.
At last.
I claim the old right. Trial by combat.
And why should this court entertain such a claim?
Because it is older than your crown. Does it frighten you, champion? A girl half your size.
Granted, Majesty. It has been an age since a sentence gave me such sport. You're getting closer. Now rewind it. I dare you.
You weren't supposed to see that yet.
My name is Otter. Today's my first day at the courier company.
Attention!
Damn it. Flowers, bugs, the whole city torn to pieces. But gentlemen, this is our moment.
That's all well and good, but I'm just an otter, you know? I just want a stable job.
Whatever you do, do not puke on my feathers.
Wait, what did you just...
Oh, I've been afraid of bugs since I was little, and I'm afraid of heights too.
The good news is, deliver what's inside this case to the Flower Corps, and this disaster ends. The bad news is...
A tiny seed?
Anyone, and I mean anyone who opens it, is dead.
Yes, I met this seed. And we got along quite well.
Gotcha! Hold on! Need a hand, kid? Drop it, Otter! Your mission is over!
No! The mission isn't over! This is my mission.
What on earth is going on here?
This is Seedance!
Now rewind it. I dare